Welcome to the third week of Quality Management. Since you're already familiar with the structure of the course, let's go ahead and click on the weekly modules content area, and then click on Module 3, Chapter 3, Tools and Techniques for Quality Design and Control. As always, the modules begin with the learning objectives for that week. Next, we have the assignment summary, which is review this video, read Chapter 3, review the Chapter 3 PowerPoint presentation. The assignments would be the peer-to-peer discussion, the Quality Improvement Project Part 2, which is not due until week 6, so you're just going to begin Part 2. And lastly, the Chapter 3 quiz. Next, we have the instructional content. As you know by now, this is where you have your overview video, the reading assignment, and the PowerPoint presentation. Next, we have the peer-to-peer discussion, design and environmental responsibility. You will be choosing a company from the 2020 Global Most Sustainable Corporations in the World list. From there, you will be researching the company's approach to quality, performance, excellence, and designing for environmental responsibilities. Once you have completed your research, you will answer the following questions. What is the company doing to produce a quality product or service? Based on your research, did becoming more sustainable positively or negatively affect the company's triple bottom line of social, environmental, and financial performance? And lastly, ensuring both your answers to number 1 and number 2 that you cite fact-based data to substantiate your statements. So don't make it come across as just your opinion. You want to provide that data to support your opinion or what you view as the outcome. And ensure that you also respond to at least 3 other students. Next, we have the Quality Improvement Project Part 2, Data Improvement Tools. You had a preview of this last week. With week 3, this is when you want to begin working on Part 2. It's not due until week 6, but I wanted to make sure you're aware that you should be starting the process of formulating what you're going to accomplish within Part 2. And lastly, we have the Chapter 3 quiz, Tools and Techniques for Quality Design and Control. As always, please feel free to reach out to your instructor if you have any questions or concerns. Have a great week.